In 2013, Sir Robert Norrby, the Earl of Sodor, decided to reopen Ulfstead Castle and restore it to its former glory. There was an estate railway with a museum. The engines there were Millie, a French narrow gauge engine, and Stephen, who was a replica of a rocket. Tourists came traveling in Gordon, Emily, Pip, Emma, new arrivals Connor, and Caitlin, and while he was still on Sodor, Hero. In 2015, they got Glyn and Neil, who had long since been forgotten. In 2017, they got an experimental cab-forward one-off design, in whose name was Lexi, as well as an experimental engine for the war, Merlin, and a one-off design, Theo. In 2020, they got their last engine to their collection, Bloomer. And so far, that's all the engines. The estate railway is still open today as of 2026 and delivers a lot of tourist traffic and is one of the most famous places on the island of Sodor.